Hi and welcome to this KMS Pro video. My name is Daniel and I'm a member of the KMS Global Style Council. Today I want to show you a nice side-parting sleek look for men. I've just shampooed his hair with the TAMEFRIZZ shampoo, which that already smoothens the hair quite nicely. So now I'm going to apply the TAMEFRIZZ Smoothing Lotion. This only relaxes the surface of the hair. It doesn't make the hair go dead straight. Now I'm gonna blow dry the hair by using the various smoothing brush. This is ideal if I want to smooth out the texture. To add the hold to this look, I'm using the HAIRSTAY Working Hairspray. Well, I love this product because I can still go into it. It doesn't make the product too strong or too tough, so I can always rework it, and all I want is just add hold. Thanks for watching and check out more amazing looks on our KMS Pro channel.